In this video, I'm going to share with you the #1 secret indicator that literally has a 100% win ratio. What's up? This is Bob Beckett. In this video, I'm going to show you a 100% winning strategy on exactly how you can enter the market and exit the market using 17 indicators. And if this looks like a spaceship to you or a battleship, that's because it is. And I know people that actually trade like this. Don't worry, we're not actually trading like this. In fact, I want you to freaking just throw all of these away. Period. Just throw them all away. Okay? EMAs, all this trash, whatever you have on your RSI. Give me a break. RSI. Look. RSI, all they do is show you what is overbought and oversold. That means that most of the time you're looking at the top or the bottom. You're trying to catch the top or bottom instead of going with trend. Look, throw it all away, and we're going to be just doing price structure. I'm going to show you something really quick in this video that will change everything for you. Okay? So here's the story. All right, just jump to the 15-minute or the hour. Let's go to the hour. Let's go back in time. I'm just going to show you one simple thing that you could be doing to increase your odds of winning. Trading is all about the edge, right? Having the edge. Right? I'm not against indicators. I don't really trade with them much. But here's the fact. Like, you really don't need indicators to see a few things. Look, you have basically this low area right here. You know, a retail type trader would call this support. I look at this area as basically an area like right from here to here as an order block area, right? So this would be basically supply, or this would be demand, I'm sorry. So if it taps into this, banks most likely will bring it up unless they want to bring it down to here. So right out the bat, I look at that area right here, and what am I looking for? I'm looking for a continuance of creating new highs. So I want to see this high right here being taken out. Let's just see what happens. This is completely random, so it could go either way. Okay, so now, all right, this is perfect. So because this broke this low, okay, or I should say created a new low because this is a low, now we got a new low. Guess what? We're only going to take sells, okay? We're only going to take sells. Why would you take a buy and go against the trend, right? Trend is your friend. You ever hear that? Listen, I don't care what this strategy is or whatever. We could throw on EMAs. We could say EMA cross strategy 10,000, right? Look, you could literally just have this go up and wait for it to reject this right here. I can make up strategies on the fly. Watch. Let's see if it goes up. Oh, rejected. Let's just get in for a sell right here. Put your stop here. Here's a quick 1-to-1. You want some money? Put $5 grand on that. I mean, don't really. Let's just see. Oh, look. Wow, it won. Look, guys, all you have to know is which direction the market's going. You don't have to freaking win everything, right? I mean, this could have been, if you just put this right here, this would have been a 1-to-3 just like that. Most likely it's going to go back up. But look, every little area like this, every little pullback has some kind of response, has some kind of reaction, right? If you look to the left here, look, this reacted off here, boom. This reacted off this one right here. It's not complicated. You just have to know the direction, right? And if you know institutional trading, look, they're protecting the high, protecting the high, protecting the high, meaning they're not taking it up yet. There's a reason they're doing that. Okay, so you need to just start trading only with the trend. Okay, let's just see what happens here. All right. Oh, look, we got another entry. I mean, you could literally just go do this, guys. Honestly, I haven't done this, but again, we'll start at 1-to-1. Just by going with the trend, you have a major edge, like a huge advantage over the market. Oh, look, we won again. That's 2 in a row. And that's if you do 1-to-1s. Like, I don't even recommend doing 1-to-1s. We do like 1-to-10s in my student group. So, oh, look at that. We're right here. But look, what I want you to notice is it broke this high. When I say broke, it's creating a new high, a higher high. It broke this lower high. It created a new higher high. So guess what? We're only going to buy. Okay? I'm not doing some fancy, or not fancy, weird cross strategy. You know, I'm going to wait for a rejection, right? So essentially you can get in there, but I don't like how this is, there's an imbalance right there. Let's see if it goes down or up. They're right in that area. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, we got a new low. Okay, so we never entered. Cool. But guess what? We're still selling. Easy. Okay, so that was just a nice little retracement back to mitigate this area. I'm going to play off that again. Let's see if it goes up. There it is. I'm just going to get in. All right. Let's see if this keeps working. I mean, again, trend is your friend, right? Just look, I shouldn't even be entering here. I should be waiting for some kind of bearish momentum. Probably just going to take that as a break even. All right, that one broke even. Whatever. All good. My point of this is I could throw on any indicator, okay? Let's just throw on anything. Let's just go to community scripts. And let's look at what the top trending, the top ones are. All right, we have, let's just look. MACD, no. ADX. Let's look for the first one that gives us some kind of something. All right, let's do a super trend. All right. Super trend, 10,000 million, right? Look, you're with the trend, guys. Put your stop above the last high. I mean, let's just see if it plays out. Oh my gosh, it worked. What do you know? Like, you could take any indicator, guys, if you're trading with the trend. That's why most indicators are garbage. Mine isn't. Pipstacking.com. Go there, pipstacking.com. If you don't own this already. Oh, it's black or gray, whatever. If you don't own Pipstack, or if you don't own my pipstacking.com indicator, you should go get it. $7, right? And the reason it's important is it goes against retail trading. It goes with the banks instead of for the banks. So look, we're only going to sell until this is broke. If that breaks right here, we're going to keep selling. So we're just going to wait for a pullback and wait to see if this thing, whatever this, I don't even use super trend. I don't use any of these indicators. But by the way, this tag this, we could have got in right there. Let's just look. And my whole point behind this is, guys, this whole thing is like garbage. You guys, you don't need to have. All right, there we go. So, trend is your friend. Stop right here. Let's just see. We're not doing any technical analysis other than we know where the stops are, you know, or where the highs are and the lows are. That's it. Look at that. Look at that. That one's break even. Let's call that a break even until we have that high broke. I have a feeling it's going to break. There it goes. Okay, so that broke that high. So we're looking for buys. All right, so I'm gonna do one more super trend 10,000 strategy. Oh, there it is. I want to prove to you guys that you don't need these indicators. Right? You could literally just go with the trend. Look, oh, what do you know? Look, smashed. Right? Like, there's no rocket science behind this, guys. Now, there is a rocket science behind staying consistent and consistent enough to where you can pass funding challenges and stuff like that. And that's where my mentorship comes in play. Let's just do one more for fun, okay? Let's just look. Fibonacci. I've tested thousands of indicators, and they're all lagging. Doesn't matter what you use. Swing that lie, swing high, swing slow. I can't talk. Swing high. I just got out of the dentist, by the way. Freaking 6 shots in my jaw. Frustrating. Let's just look. Super Trend version 1.0 buyer sell signal volume flow indicator. What's this one? I don't know most of these, right? Okay. Let's just say when it comes back to this line, I don't know what this one is. You could probably even use an RSI. Let's just use a freaking RSI. I think they're all a joke, honestly. You don't need any of it. All right, so look, we'll do a 50% line deal. So let me put a 50% line. 50%. If it goes back to the 50%, we'll buy. All right, watch this. All right, right now we're buying. We're right at the 50%. I'm not even looking at anything, guys. This is like straight up. All you have to have is the edge, right? You just have to have the edge. All right, let me just see if that works. Okay, that one didn't. That's our first one we actually lost, okay? Think about that for a second. Like, we're not doing anything crazy. Oh, but now we are oversold. And look, we have a divergence. Look at that. I just can't stand it, guys. You guys, I was in this industry for so long now, And I've seen so many scams and so many people freaking taking advantage of people. When really, all you need to know is the direction. That's it. If you need help, hit me up. Fill out the application on this page or below, and I'll help you, right? Ooh, that almost tagged us. Let's see. Oh, we got it. Let's see if that tagged us. If it did, give me a break. Oh, by a freaking hair. Regardless, you saw this. I mean, you saw it here. This is freaking very easy to do, guys. I mean, you don't have to freaking do anything. So do me a favor. You can take your current trading strategy, and if it goes against this, like look, if you used a 200 EMA like a lot of these guys do, and said, okay, if it's below the 200 EMA, only take sells. If it's above, take buys, right? So look, what happens in this mess? Okay, well, it's below. Should I take a sell? Oh, no, I shouldn't have. Oh, so you can't go by an EMA. They freaking lag, right? So look, just get rid of all that trash and look at price structure. Zoom out if you have to. What's it doing? It's protecting high, protecting high. Did not take out that low, which means it might be reversing, okay? But we need to see a break. So look, in this case, the only data that we have at all is that this just broke this high, okay? So we're only looking for buys. So use this with your current stuff. Only take in the direction of the last break or the last continued creating a new high, right? So this came here, so this is probably going to come down to here before shooting up. Let's just see. I could do that nakedly. Nakedly, is that a word? Without even freaking using an indicator. There it goes. We just smashed it, right? Taking out all liquidity right here. So I was able to do that without an indicator at all, just looking at the naked chart, just by knowing basic chart or order flow, right? So look, guys, if you are sick and tired of freaking losing to all these retail trade, techniques and strategies and all this indicator crap, and you're ready for real mentorship, like one-on-one mentorship, and my guarantee to you is I'll get you funded. I'll help you get funded. You're going to do it on your own, and you're going to learn how to fish. You're going to be able to get as much fish as you want. In fact, we have students in my group that are funded over $600,000. Our mission is we want $100 million funded traders in my group by June. So that's my mission. That's my vision, right? So if that's you, if you're sick and tired of playing games and you want to take this seriously, you want to take trading freaking ridiculously seriously, go ahead and fill out the application below if you haven't already. Find it in the link below. If you're on YouTube, like and comment, share this, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And guys, let's get you winning, right? It's about time. Let's make the wife and kids happy. Let's get you actually consistent, right? We live in some crazy times, guys. We need you consistent. All right, guys, fill it out. God bless. Take care. Beckett out.